On July 31st, 2022, 22-year-old Allison Duckrow and her mother got back from breakfast in Sydney, Ohio. As they stepped inside, an unknown car pulled into their driveway. It was Allison's ex, James Rail. They'd broken up 18 months earlier. No contact, no closure. The night before, James sent her a creepy message. "Just want to talk. Please call me." She didn't, but he came anyway. Allison watched through the doorbell camera as he tried every way to get inside. When she didn't answer, he started breaking the door down. Her family begged him to leave. Serenity had emotional disorders, often ran away, and escaped the facility on February 3rd, 2019. Over 200 people searched for her. No traces, no clues, no remains. Had she been kidnapped? Did she escape and seek help? Serenity's family saw the footage. They said it wasn't her. And so the mystery continues. The missing girl from the camera and Serenity Dennard. Two stories without endings. January 18th, 2025, North Texas. A homeowner out shopping got a doorbell alert. A man stood on her porch, alone, dressed in all black, wearing a red satanic goat mask. He held a box, rang the doorbell, and walked away. He left behind a sign, Revelation 21:15, a biblical passage describing judgment, hell, and eternal torment. Police couldn't arrest him. He hadn't committed a crime, but the homeowner, she wouldn't sleep the same again. "I'm scared to leave my house. I'm scared to be in my house." The case was never followed up. The masked visitor was never found.